Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epicconfections. Instead of Alyssa Edwards' back rows, we're going to be making a cake roll tower. Let's do it!
Back rolls.
So to start, I baked off 7 of these very thin, full slab pieces of chocolate cake. I'm going to be filling them with buttercream, rolling them up and dividing them into 4. That'll give you 28. And I made a load of buttercream.
Family show!
It is a family show. Sometimes. Today it's not. So I'm keeping them on the parchment paper because it's actually easier to roll. Let's fill these with buttercream and start rolling. So I'm going to take my parchment paper and just quickly press it down and then keep going and pulling the parchment paper back as I go. Some of them are going to crack, of course. Look at that roll, it's so nice. Look at him roll. So I'm going to take a really hot knife and just trim off the ends. And so I'm just going to cut it right in half. And then cut the halves in half. Get it? Look at that! It's so cute! So I'm going to continue this for 7 more full slabs. Yes, I'm laughing at myself.
Telling me you're telling yourself you're laughing.
I'm telling myself and the people watching that I'm laughing at myself. At my own jokes. Write in the comments below if you want to see what my husband looks like.
You're gay?
I'm not gay. But my husband is. Thing of beauty. I should be putting a dowel in there for support, but I kind of don't want to. I just want to see if it'll hold by itself, so if it falls over, you're welcome. Buttercream on my foot. It's not a good feeling. It's like stepping in dog shit. When you first wake up in the morning, everything's dark, and you go to walk to the dryer to get your clothes from the night before, and you just step in a hot, steaming pile of dog shit right in between your toes. It's awful. I'm not wearing shoes right now. I'm wearing sandals. Because that's how I roll. Cake roll. She's leaning forward. She's leaning forward. Okay, so it turns out I'm gonna have to go ahead and dowel these bad boys because it is a little unstable. my piping bag with some red icing. I'm just gonna ice the 2 outer rolls red, and then go up with the different colors of the rainbow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this awesome cake. So guys, we're so close to hitting 500 subscribers, and when we do, as promised, I will be giving away an awesome Wilton cake decorating set, so don't forget to tell your friends and family to subscribe, enjoy, like, and share. So cute!